What a gorgeous, gorgeous example, direct in off one local owner from you who really have cherished this vehicle. Friends of mine I've known for over 30 years. It is absolutely gleaming away. Incredible mileage of just 16,171. Here it is, Audi TT TFSI S-Line, finished in this fabulous, fabulous Tango red metallic. Really does look amazing. 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. It's the 1.8 180 brake horsepower 6-speed manual gearbox. It raced in April 2017 on a 17 plate with full documented Audi service history. Let's take you all around it and show you how beautiful this car is. It's got the optional rear parking sensors, just makes parking a little bit easier. Twin exhaust, nice contrast with the grey and the red. Beautiful inside. Great size boot, split folding rear seats. Look at that beautiful interior, we'll come back to that in a second. Boot liner to protect the original carpets from day one, so the carpet is like brand new underneath there. Lots of storage under the well there. Just look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous. No dents, scratches, scuffs or dings anywhere. Absolutely outstanding. We can't emphasize enough how nice this car is. All the tyres with plenty of tread on those. All the wheels, as you will see, are absolutely gorgeous. Grey and the diamond cut, nicely sparkling away all down the sides, just gorgeous. And this is why I do the videos, to give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Nothing is left to chance, full transparency, almost like you walking around the car with me. Just look at that. Again, plenty of tread all across the front, nice and clean. LED headlights all across the bonnet, lovely and clean. You might just see the odd tiny stone chip, but overall it is absolutely stunning. The front offside tyre, and of course the wheel. Again, a good close-up. All down the sides, just absolutely beautiful. Can you believe combined miles per gallon 47.1 according to Audi? The final wheel. And of course the tyre with plenty of tread on there. Nice little touch with a TT filler cap. All the door trims absolutely perfect. Nice Alcantara trim there. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, automatic lights. It's got the full black Nappa leather, sport seats. Just get that comfort under your legs. Electric lumbar support, 4-way. Nice S-Line embossed seats, all in perfect condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty spots in the vehicle. Everything how you'd expect a 16,000 mile car to be. Probably one of the lowest mileage cars for sale on the market at the moment, with just 16,171 as I mentioned. Full Audi service history. We've got the complete book pack, 2 sets of keys, every invoice for the servicing, brake fluid change. I believe it's 6 visits to the Audi main dealer since the car was supplied. Everything's all controlled by the little module there. Nice and clear. Everything shows up on the dashboard in front of you. All nice and clear. All the fuel consumption, the journey times, how much the air conditioning is taking from the vehicle. Drive select. To get your car just handling absolutely perfect. Efficiency, dynamic, auto. Driver assist. All the servicing details. All the intervals, when the next service is due. All very, very easy. Meter input. Aux input. The car's got around £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. They really are a great car to drive, great handling, and of course a real eye catcher. Great sound system. Again, all the menu, all the view can be controlled from the steering wheel buttons on there. Again, the menu's straight on there, very straightforward. Stereo controls, voice activation,
Radio 2.
Sound. Please operate this menu.
so again you can dial somebody with the voice activation or choose your radio stations or media input. Cruise control, speed limiter, and a beautiful flat bottom sport steering wheel. Heated front seats, again that was an option, very nifty, fitted into with the air vents. All the air conditioning straight in front of you on there. And you can also select the drive modes, and of course the rear spoiler which pulls up and down with that button there. Of course it comes on automatically, I believe about 60 miles an hour. I just need to double check that. So there we have it, beautiful one owner, totally cherished Audi TT S-Line TFSI, £2,000 worth of factory fitted options in absolutely outstanding condition. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal, or please call us if you need any assistance with that. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website, click and reserve. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your money, no questions asked. Click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask for further details. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. And this is why I do the full accurate video of every single car, all the accurate information, so nothing is left to chance when buying your car. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. The phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.